everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing the Vettsy 5th anniversary mystery box. Here we have a little card. As always, every box comes with a little free glitter, and this one is stars. And there's another peek at what we've got inside. These are some little gems. They're cute. Got some glitter, various different shapes with hearts and bows inside. These are some stars to add to your nails. Rhinestones in assorted sizes, and they've got some really cool colours in there. Here we have a chrome powder. I much prefer these types of chrome powder to the others, there's less mess. We've got some caviar beads. Somehow these ones have got a little bit mixed up, I think, in transit. So after this video I sat there and put them back into the right segments. Here we have a silicone mould. I'm really loving these at the moment. Here we have another chrome powder. And another glitter. This one's more of sort of a pinky shade with different stars, hearts and glitters in. Another chrome powder. Some more dabbers, they're always handy to have. These hearts are cute. They've got an iridescent sort of shine to them. Here we have some ice cube decals, or decals, however you pronounce them, from wherever you're from. Some stickers. Some bows and some butterflies. This is a cute little nail and cuticle oil. It's handy to have to put in your handbag. I'll be going on holiday soon, so that for sure will be in my bag when I go away. Then we have this handy picker-upper tool. We've got one end that has a dotting tool on it, and you can also use it to move around your gems, and then the other end has a waxy end with these cute little hearts. We've got this lovely silicone mat. And in here we've got our gel polishes. Look how cute the packaging is. Here we've got the attention to detail with the Vettsy logo. Oh, we're upside down. So we've got a hollow diamond gel. We have a cat's eye gel, a normal gel, and then 2 solid gels. This first gel polish is called Fantasyland. So it's this pale nude colour with glitters in it. And the glitters are quite fine. And this cat's eye is a super fine glitter. It looks like a chrome effect. We're going to get some pop sticks and we'll swatch them. So first we'll start with Fantasyland. Curing in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then for the cat's eye, I done a black base and then 1 even coat of the cat's eye gel. Now with the magnet, you can see that it moves the particles around. And then once you're happy with the design, you can pop that into the lamp for a 60-second cure. Here we're going to have the second layer of the Fantasyland gel polish. Here it's got more of a creamy colour to it. And there you have both of those gel polishes. They're beautiful. With this order, I also purchased an additional gel polish, and that was a cat's eye gel polish. So here we are with that one. So this one has got more of a purpley colour to it. Again, on the black base. We'll apply that. It's like a purpley chrome, deep purple. So again, nice even coat. Then moving the magnet across the nail to get the design that you require. Pop in the lamp for 60 seconds. And there we have it. So finally, here's a recap of everything that I got in this box. So if you want to purchase one of these, then be quick. There's a link in my description. I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!